Hi guys, Pyroman here. Welcome back to my fireworks stash for New Year's 2024 part 2. Just got a few cakes from Celtic, once again purchased from Paul's Fireworks. I got 2 times UR and 1 times red mist. The goal is here to fire the URs together in a pair with a red mist in the middle. Should be epic. Let's start with the content of UR. "19 shot. Quite like the shape of the head cakes. "25mm bore, 486 grams of gunpowder. Wow. 19 shots, 25-meter distance, and a 30-second duration. Can't tell from here, but don't know if you can see. That's UR, guys. Don't know if you've seen the video of UR, but it has got like a blue mine lift with big brakes, gold willows. Absolutely amazing. And you know what the funny thing is about UR? It's got the same gunpowder weight as Colourful Palms and Valletta by Celtic, and they've got 30mm bore size, so should pack a great punch. And I got 2 times of URs. Moving on to Red Mist by Celtic, also a 19 shot cake. Let's see the content. "25mm bore, 19 shot, 33 seconds, 247 grams of gunpowder, but it is quite a weighty cake. 25mm bore. So when this goes up, it is like, let's read the content from the back. Effect: 19 shot, deep blue tail to red glittering willow with deep blue. So a bit similar to the UR. Should be great firing the 3 of these together for New Year's. Stay tuned for my next part of my stash, and don't forget to follow, like, share and subscribe, guys. See you.